Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unbagging the April subscription bag from Two Chicks One Dip. The theme was April showers and it is so cute. I'll show you a picture of the mani I did with it at the end of this video. So getting into it, this is her business card with all the information about socials and the website. The first one is called Rainy Day Reflections. It's a glitter. Sorry about the lack of focus. Not sure what I was doing. This one is called Thunderwear, and it's a light gray situation. Gonna look so cute matte. Can't wait to see that. And then we have Stormy Skies, which is a dark gray. Also gonna look super cute matte. These little raindrops are so color shifty and cute, and they're so easy to hand place. Cuticle oil is called After the Rain, and it smells like a Bath and Body Works sexy man, but less intense. Y'all, look at the sparkle on Rainy Day Reflections. I cannot. Okay, ready for the focus? Gorgeous. Blues, greens, grays. It is literally like rain. Look how cute that is. Don't miss the subscription bags, y'all. They are so freaking good. Thank you for watching. Give me a like and a follow, and